Hello guys, welcome to Python Django series. In this video, I will show you how to create a database model inside a Django project. By default, every Django project has a auth model and we should migrate it, and we can implement the auth model for registration and login purposes for our systems. Press Ctrl C to interrupt the command prompt in Windows operating systems. To migrate the auth model, I need to follow two command line. One is Python manage.py make migrations, and the next one is Python manage.py migrate, and the auth model already migrated. Now I need to access the admin site, Django admin site. It's a building systems, admin systems. To access the Django admin site, I need to create a super user. Now I will create the super user. Python manage.py create super user, and then I need to provide some information: username, then email address, then password, and the super user already created. Now I need to run the project. Python manage.py run server. Let's check it. To access the Python admin site, we need to follow exact URL pattern. Just add admin in the end of the URL pattern. Then I need to log in. Oops. Here is the auth model, and inside the auth model we can see there are two tables. One is group and another is user. We can create different group from this table, and we can use different user by using the user table. Okay, good. Now I will show you how to create our customized database inside a Django project, and I will talk about the model and admin page. To create a customized database model, we need to expand our student apps and then go inside the models.py, and here we should write the database code. I already wrote some code for creating a database. I just copy and paste it here. I defined two classes. One is department, which has one attribute, department name, and which is character field, and there is another table which is student info, and the student info has some attributes, for instance student name, ID number, department, which is a foreign key, and the data should comes from this table, age, then CGPA. And you can see that the models object comes from Django.db, and these models access the model with bigger M. Let's save it and Now I need to register the two table inside the admin panel because we want to see our newly created table here in the admin site. To register our database table in the admin pages, I need to write like this: admin dot site dot register. One is department, another is student info. Just copy and paste, and another one is student info. And I need to add another import library from dot model import department and student info, because basically we are just accessing the department and student info class from the model .py files. Let's save it. Now I need to migrate the customized database. We will follow the same process for migration. One is Python manage.py make migrations. And then Python manage.py migrate. Let's run the project. Python manage.py run server. Spelling mistakes. Okay, let's check it. Just reload the admin site, and here is our newly created table. One is department and another is student infos. Let's try to add one data for departments, one value. I put computing science. Okay, I want to add another one, maybe computer science. Okay, nice. And we can do it from the student info tables. For example, Alice, ID 1001, department, for example, object 3, age maybe 24, CGPA maybe 3.80. Okay, but you can notice that we can see the student information here. Instead of showing the student attributes, the site shows object. How can we manage it? How can we see the table property, database table property here? Let's go to the admin.py, go to the model, and we declare a meta class, a function def str self then return self dot department name. I want to see this field in the admin site, and just copy the sorry. Okay, and we need to do the same thing here. Def doubles, notice that double underscore str double underscore self return self dot, we want to show the student name. Let's check it. Now we can see the student name Alice instead of the object, and in the department table you can see computer science and computing science instead of the object names. And in the next video I will show you how to write the logic inside the views.py files. Thank you for watching, and I hope we will see in the next video. Bye.